Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be carving up a feather. We'll be carving up a feather out of this piece of scrap that I've had laying around. It's going to be a first for me, something new, something a little bit different. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Let's get started. Like I said, I'm going to carve a feather. This is going to be my first time. I've never carved a feather before. I've seen a bunch of other carvers do it, and you know what? I think it's a great idea. So I'm going to be using my Steel MSA 200C. It's a battery saw. Use that to block it out. Maybe we'll get into using the 160 with the dime tip bar to kind of detail it. I'm going to throw my dust mask on and just start making some cuts. Check it out, pretty neat. If you want a tutorial, let me know. I gotta give a shout out though to Chainsaw Chad. He did a tutorial on these. He's got a video on making these. I think he does an awesome job. He inspired me to make this one. So Chad, thanks a lot, man. If you guys want a cool tutorial on creating these, Chad's got one up. I will put a link to his channel down below. If you guys want me to do a tutorial here on my channel, let me know in the comments below, and I think I'll make one. You know, this was fun. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. And I think it's doable for a lot of you who are just starting out. The plus side is, as long as you've got your safety gear, you only need a few tools. Flap sander, chainsaw, you know, with a small bar, small kerf chain. That's the Pico 43 gauge chain, and a torch. That's it. Those are the only 3 things I used here to create this. And so if you have minimal tools, if you at least got a drill with a flap sander, a chainsaw, and a torch, you can make this. All right, guys, there's a reason I did a couple videos like this. We're not getting into all this other stuff because not everybody can afford all the tools, and so I think it's good to see what you can do with just the chainsaw. That way there you can start making a few things, getting them sold, and then you can work on upgrading your tools. So hope you guys enjoyed this video creating this feather. It's my first one. I think there's definitely going to be some more in the future. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check out some other videos, and I'll see you guys next time.